Hey, what's up, WSG Token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. This is very important message, important video about WSG Token holders, Wall Street Games price prediction video coin. But my friends, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Wall Street Games. My friends, you know what? Currently, the Wall Street Games is going in the loss, but I hope you know what, it is the end of a month and possibilities, my friend, that in the beginning of August, possibilities that the price will explode more and more. So WSG token holders back up in the market. I think it is a low price coin. You can see the price of the Wall Street Games is very low. So personally, my opinion is for everybody is that please buy more and more Wall Street Games token, because the price is very low and possibilities, my friends, technical analysis prediction is going positive about WSG token. So that's why I also recommend for everybody that please buy now more and more. Let me show you the more details about WSG token, my friends. Now it is time, it is the end of month. That is why every chain is going negative. The trading volume is also going to decrease, but the price will explode and give you profit. Don't worry about these negative changes. Everything will be okay. Just wait and just patience. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.